Hello students, today I will show you how to take reading from the vernier scale and the screw gauge. So first we will take vernier caliper, and this instrument is called vernier caliper. You can see this instrument, this is vernier caliper. It has, as you can see in this figure, it has a main scale, it has a normal main scale, and this normal main scale is up to 15 centimeter and 6 inch. So this is basically a normal scale which you use in your geometry box, which is like this scale. So almost same scale is used. It is also 15 centimeter and 6 inch. So the same scale, no difference. Okay. So this one is called as main scale, and now you can see there is one more scale here. Okay, you can see this more divisions are on this scale, and this scale is called vernier scale. So this is a main scale, and now you have a vernier scale. A similar vernier scale is on this side also. So there are two scales on the opposite sides, right? Now if you see right now, if you see, then zero of this scale and the zero of main scale, this is vernier scale and this one is main scale. Okay, if you see, then if you can see, then this zero of vernier and the zero of main both are at the same place, but after that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and this is 10th vernier division. And if you look at the figure, this 10th vernier division is exactly at the place where 9th main scale division is present. So you will say that 10 vernier scale divisions are equal to 9 main scale divisions. Okay, 10 vernier scale divisions are equal to 9 main scale division, and this relation we use this relation for finding the least count. Okay, so I will say that, okay, 10 vernier scale divisions are equal to 9 main scale divisions, and therefore one vernier scale division is equal to 0.9 main scale division, and the value of one main scale division, this one main scale division is actually 1 millimeter. So one vernier scale division will be 0.9 millimeter. What I mean is these scales, let me slide it first. This is the main scale. Okay, this is your main scale. Just a minute, sorry for. On the main scale, on this main scale, you have the divisions at 1 millimeter gap. This scale, these divisions are at 1 millimeter gap, whereas these divisions which are present on the vernier, the gap between these two divisions is actually 0.9 millimeter. So these divisions which are on the main scale are at a separation of 1 millimeter, and these are at a separation of 0.9 millimeter. The difference between these two, which is called one main scale division and minus one vernier scale division, and this is known as the least count of this instrument. So for the instrument which I have in my hand, for this instrument, the least count is one main scale division is 1 millimeter and one vernier scale division is 0.9 millimeter. So for my instrument it is 0.1 millimeter, or you can say it 0.01 centimeter. Okay, so this is how we find the least count of a vernier caliper. Now I will show you how to take the reading from this vernier caliper. How do we measure the length of any object? Okay, So I have a cylinder in my hand. I will measure the diameter of this cylinder. So first I will fix this cylinder. First I will fix the cylinder between the two jaws of caliper. Okay, so I will fix it. After fixing it tightly, I will remove the cylinder. Okay, and now I will take the reading. Okay, so if you look at the diagram, just look at the caliper, है ना? How much reading you can read before the vernier caliper begins? I mean, this is the beginning of vernier caliper. This line is the beginning of vernier caliper, and before this line, I can read 3 and this 1. Okay, so I can read 3.1 millimeter on the main scale, which is before this is 0 of vernier scale. So before 0 of the vernier scale, you can easily read 3.1 on the main scale, and that we call the main scale reading. Okay, so that you will say that the main scale reading in this question is, the main scale reading is 3.1 centimeter. Okay, so what is main scale reading? It is the reading which you can easily read, on the main scale before this line, which is the 0 of the vernier scale. Okay, now after that you have to look that division on the vernier. You have to look a division on this vernier scale which coincides with any of division on the main scale. And if you look it carefully, this is 7th division. This is the 7th division of vernier which coincides with a main scale division. I will show you again. Okay, look, just a minute, sorry. Now you can see it. 3. Okay, so 7th vernier scale division, right? 7th vernier scale division, the 7th division on this vernier scale is coinciding with the main scale. This is the 7th division. This is the 7th division on the vernier scale, and that coincides with our main scale at 3.8. The 7th vernier scale division is coinciding with 3.8 of main scale division. Okay, focus. So okay, I hope it is now clear to you, it is visible to you that yes, 7th, now you can clearly see it, 7th vernier scale is at 3.8 centimeter of main scale. So 7th division, okay, situation is like so. 0 of the vernier starts, and before that you have 3.1 on the main scale, and then at 3.8 of the main scale you have 7th vernier scale division. So the 7th vernier scale division is at 3.8 of our main scale, and the reading from the vernier is actually defined as how the clear reading which you can take on the main scale is 3.1. 3.1 is your main scale reading. So that main scale reading, and plus how much is the difference, what is the difference between the main scale reading and the 0 of vernier. So let it be small x, little x. So main scale reading plus x, this is defined as the reading of caliper. Now how to find this value of x? Well, we can find this value of x as from 3.1 to 3.8. I know that this is 7 main scale divisions. These are 7 main scale divisions. And these are 7 vernier scale divisions. So it is very obvious that X is 7 main scale division minus vernier scale division. And the difference between one main scale division and the one vernier scale division is defined as the least count, and therefore it is 7 multiplied by the least count plus main scale reading is the reading from the vernier caliper. The final reading from the caliper is the main scale reading plus this is the division number of vernier which coincides with the main scale, and this has to be multiplied with the least count to get the total reading from a vernier caliper, right? So this is how the relation comes as 7 into least count. Then okay, so finally the answer will be 3.1 centimeter from the main scale and plus 7 into the least count, which is 0.01 centimeter, and now I can say that it is 3.17 centimeter the diameter of this scale. So sorry, the diameter of this cylinder. The diameter of this cylinder is 3.17 centimeter. Okay, so this was reading from the vernier caliper. Now I will show you how to take reading from the screw gauge. Okay, so this is, okay, let me show you the screw gauge instrument. So this is my screw gauge instrument. Okay, this is the screw gauge. First of all, I will show you a scale on it. This is called a linear scale. We call it a linear sorry, we call it circular scale. This scale we call it circular scale. And for the instrument which I have, if you check the number of divisions, then there are total 45 and then 5 more for 50 divisions. So I have 50 divisions on this scale, which is a circular scale. And if I open it, okay, there is, you can rotate this knob, and once you will rotate, a gap will be created here, and you will find a linear scale in this gap. So let me show you, and just notice that I will rotate it in the anti-clockwise direction. So I rotate it in the anti-clockwise direction, and once I start rotating it in the anti-clockwise direction, a gap is created here